Sarah-Quita Offringa, 26 times world champion.
Wow, crazy. That's insane. I really didn't see this coming at the beginning of the week. I was, I didn't think I could finish this event, and here we are. So that's really cool.
From quitting to winning, how do you feel?
It feels incredible. I kind of got the determination and the motivation as the event started going, and yesterday and today, I feel it really kicked in, and it feels insane to win the event. There's 2 races still to go, but now I can relax.
You came in pretty stressed between races. Did you know?
Now?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know. The thing is, I want to know for sure that it's actually the case. So I was like, let me focus on the next race, just make sure to do the best that I can. And so winning these 2 last races was, really awesome.
As we have for the 26th time, give it up, your 2025 Slalom-X Women's World Champion, Sarah-Quita Offringa!
Recibe su bandera. Excelente. Bienvenida. La emoción al rojo vivo, adrenalina.
Interview için hazır mıyız?